I am Iron Man.
I'm Captain America.
I'm Thor Odin's son.
There was an idea called the Avengers Initiative.
We're the Guardians of the Galaxy.
We're the Avengers.
What do we do, Cap? We fight.
Dread it, run from it. Destiny arrives all the same.
Higher, further, faster, baby.
Avengers! Assemble.